Good evening, everybody. What I have to show you tonight is the trade that I basically described this morning in my video. If you haven't seen my video from this morning, pause this one, go ahead, watch the video for that posted this morning. It gives you a lot greater back data on what I'm about to cover right now and what I did today. So if you haven't seen it, pause this one, go find the other one, watch that first, and then meet me back here. Okay, anyway, so for those of you who have seen the video, this is what we had in the ES today. So I'm going to back out here, and this is the week that we had. This was Tuesday, Monday was back in here. So we started the week right here. We actually started the week on a limit down. So we opened the cash session, limit down. Open the cash session within 5 seconds, bam, limit down again, 7%. So that's how we started the week out. And then we just gradually drifted off throughout the week. So that brings us into today. So it was a down week. Granted, today was an up day, but the rest of the week was a down week. So we were down about 200 points or something like that for the week. So this is today's trading. We had some selling going on in the morning after the gap up and the limit. We actually hit limit up this morning before the cash session started. So, I mean, crazy week. We start the week limit down, hit a circuit breaker, and then we end the week on Friday morning limit up with a circuit breaker. It's just, this is crazy, which is awesome. It makes for awesome day trading. But anyway, we had some selling going on this morning and then kind of chopped around throughout the day a little bit. But then right here, right about 15:30 or 3:30 in the afternoon, on the East Coast or Eastern Standard Time, that's about when I look for this trade. And that is a Friday afternoon when you've had a down week. Shorts need to cover before the end of the week. They're not going to take their shorts into the weekend and possibly get run over on a Monday morning green morning. So I mean, this is something I've exploited multiple times, and I did it again today. So somewhere around 15:30 or 3:30, that's when I start looking. So what I did, drag trade screen over here, I purchased an SPX call spread, 2650, 2655. Again, if you watched the video this morning, I purchased everything way out of the money because knowing a huge run is coming. So you purchase it really cheap. Purchase it for 50 cents. Okay, and I purchased this right at 1528. So it was this candle right here, this yellow guy. Okay, now granted, yeah, we sold off a little bit. This was right when President Trump came on and was issuing the national emergency for the coronavirus and all that kind of fun stuff. So that's what has happened there. But it was immediately bought. Again, shorts need to cover for the weekend. So it was immediately bought up. If I was if I was really paying attention, or if I was really smart, I would have been adding to it as this came down. I could have made an absolute killing, but came back up, and then we broke this high. I knew we were off to the races, especially when we broke the intraday high here. We were off to the races. So we absolutely blew through 2650, which is down here. SPX actually closed at 2711, so this spread closed 60 points in the money. Purchased it for 50 cents, and SPX is cash settled, and it was a $5 wide spread. So that being said, I purchased it for 50 cents, and basically it will cash settle for $5. So it was a 900% profit once again today on the end of day trade on a Friday with a down week. So that's 3 weeks in a row that this trade has worked like an absolute dream. The first Friday I did it, we had a 125-point rally into the close in 15 minutes. Last Friday we had about an 85-point rally in 30 minutes. And today, a almost 200-point rally into the close, which is great. I think what that does is it sets us up possibly for a green week next week. Had a lot of shorts get covered, and again today was a limit up and chop sideways, and then crazy short covering in the afternoon. So we probably will open up Monday, barring any news over the weekend, probably open up Monday green, I would imagine, but on a bigger time frame. If I want to back out here, on a bigger time frame, being that this chart is from the high, this is we're in bear market territory now. We tried to test a breakout here, failed, and then we ripped it back down. Tried to test a breakout here, failed, ripped it down. So here we've actually had a nice breakout here. We have to get some follow through next week to get some shorts really covering and possibly come to what would be a 618 retracement is what I would look for. I'm just going to do a really rough raw retracement for you here. which would be somewhere right up in the 3,000 range on the ES, would be a 618 or a 618 retracement from the low up to the high, where we possibly, if we're going to roll over, that'd be a great spot to roll over from. So I'd like to see this come up here, get some bulls trapped, and then roll it back over on them, and really get some capitulation again. Again, I'm not trying to root for the market to completely crash, but I make money both ways. So things take the elevator down and the escalator up. So elevator down is a great way to make some money. So that's what I got going on for tonight. I want to share that trade with you, show you that it still works. It worked great again today. Again, hopefully everybody has a great weekend. Hopefully everybody has a great week next week. Stay safe out there.